bloody goon afternoon. Just getting dinner ready now. So I've got me, what have I got? Look at it, check this out. I've got a chicken breast roll, and it's got camembert and bacon in it. I'm looking at about 70 minutes to cook. So I'm going to need to put a bit of baking paper on it. That's my pan's up to about 170. That's what they asked for. And I'll just quickly read the instructions. Where am I? Photo, Leonard's. Cooking temperature 180, cooking time 70 to 75 minutes. Serves 4, but looks like I got breakfast. And we want an inside temperature of 75 degrees. So I've got my little doodah here, so I can keep an eye on that. Chicken's a bit funny. Looking forward to it. Sun's going down now. We're in the shady gully, so oh, look at that. Doesn't that look super awesome? I'll have to get a photo of that. I've got a little bit of time lapse. I've been bumming around today. I haven't really done much. So we're right near the river. And I can tell you it's cold because I set the camera up to drive through the little creek. And that was mighty cold. Anyway, I'll show you dinner all plated up. Have a good one. Dinner's on the go. It's almost, oh, she's steaming. She's going hard. What do we got here? I've got my chicken camembert and bacon chicken breast. That's from Leonard's. And I've got my duck infused potatoes with some broccolini. Par-bake rolls. Oh jeez, oh fuck, that's burnt. Yeah, so all good. Dinner's ready. Too much for me, but at least I'll get a day or two out of that. I'll get lunch out of that tomorrow. Yeah, all good. All right, good bloody goon evening. Good bloody merry morning. It's a chilly one this morning. I don't know how cold it was, but I was pretty cold. Had a good sleep in too. Bolinda Vale HipCamp. Stunning. It's super awesome. It's a bloody good place. We're in Sheep Gully. Well, I'm in Sheep Gully. Here for 2 nights. Got here yesterday being Friday. Someone's just leaving now. Sheep Gully. Yeah, met the camp host at the gate. She was pretty cool. Gave us a bit of a kit. I bought a patch too. One to add. I might flick the drone up later. And someone else leaving. I was always thinking about getting my exhaust changed, and that sounds right actually. Yeah, it's a nice flowing creek all the way through. I'll go for a bit of a walk later and see what the other camps are like. And yeah, I'm going to do brunch later, so show you that, plate it up. Oh, last night's dinner was awesome too. Too much for me, but I actually should have bought Pippa. She could have eaten all that too. Oh, a bit spicy. Alright. If I see anything interesting, I'll show you. Cattle Gully campground. This isn't too bad actually. It's a little bit waterlogged, but fireplace, pretty level. A little bit of mud over there. I'm on a bank up there, but this one goes right to the water, so this would be awesome in summer because you'll be able to hang out and get some shade. Massive tree that's fallen over there. It's beautiful. This is upstream from where I'm camped. Got a bit of an S-bend there, it's pretty cool. Look at that. And there's a few more camps further upstream. Good bloody goon afternoon. Check this place out. I don't know how good that will come up on the camera. Pretty good though. A few crows about. I guess you'd expect them around a farm. Just enjoying this river flowing through. I'll just show you camp. This is what I do. I do nothing. I hang out, eat good food, have a few drinks. I know there's a fireplace there, but I prefer to have that because I can manage my wood a bit better. If you have a big open fire, you tend to burn a bit more and a bit faster. So I'm even going to have a shower, just get my water in the sun there. I'll boil a couple of kettles and heat the water up. Good thing of winter camping is if you're going to have a shower, if you want to have a shower, you have it during the day, because as soon as that sun goes down, that's it, mate, she goes cold. So yeah, this is an awesome camp. It's very clean, there's no rubbish, no shit tickets, nothing. It's well managed. I was just wishing there was some sheep or something on the hill. That would have been cool. Heaps of crows. I wonder what they're doing. That's a big hill. And so is that where that tower is too. I can just see a clearing up there. That'd be an awesome spot for a house. Must be a good view. A few planes cruising around too, just small planes. Don't know whether they're farmers or just doing what they're doing. I think we're not far from Pinjarra, so maybe they're doing some parachuting. But yeah, I'm enjoying my stay. I'm definitely going to come back here because there's more camps to explore. Yeah. Still haven't had breakfast yet, or brunch. Just not hungry. Looking forward to dinner tonight though. Tonight's beef Wellington. Whoa, that's going to be good. Just prepping dinner, so I've got a beef welly on the go, and got my duck-oiled potatoes, some onions, a bit of broccolini, some mushies and some little cherry toms, and if I don't burn the par-baked rolls this time like I did last night, they can all sit on a bed of rocket. Looking forward to it. I'll show you when I plate it up. Oh, good bloody morning. Sunday morning, it's pack up time, so camp is all done. 2 nights here, Bolinda Vale. I enjoyed it. Yeah, I might come back because there's a few more camps, and I met up with someone yesterday. They were going further up. I think it's Kangaroo Gully they were going to, so might have to have a sticky beak at that. Come back here. Beautiful spot. Sun's just coming up. The canvas is a little bit wet, but I'll sort that out when I get home. Alright, cheers for watching. See you out there off camping.